dude coming to get it.
No.
Call old Gum Pollock. Put Gum Pollock in the description there, and he left me a comment there that he might want to get him one of these games. So he's running good. I'm going back half.
Okay.